In the name of Allah, the beneficent, the merciful, the opening of Ibrahim alayhi salam, of the merciful of the Nigeria. Good day to you. My name is Mr. Garba Aminu.
Allahu Akbar.
Because I'm represent Zamfara State. I represent Zamfara State. After that, I need to send message to Dauda Lawaldiri. Dauda Lawaldiri, Itaqillaha. Dauda Lawaldiri, Itaqillaha. Itaqillaha. As from today, we need to zaman lafiya in Zamfara State. Fighting is not continue to zaman lafiya. Peace is very important of you, because totally if you continue to look at the Eastern West Africa, you see Sulhu is very important for me. After that, I need to send message to Commissioner of Defense, Tukur Usman Gusau. He is the one of the send the aeroplane to come bush to bombing and bandits. This one is not good now. So, Kuma, if you see the Fulani, the Nigeria all is the House of Fulani, not the one traveling. Vigilante group. For instance, look at last week, vigilante group to come my area to follow my cow and sheep to go. There is no reason here. Dauda Lawaldiri, Itaqillaha. Dauda Lawaldiri, Itaqillaha. You are the leader of Nigeria, Zamfara State, in terms of my Zamfara State. So, if you are need to continue to lead Zamfara State very well, no be problem. So just come and call the Fulani, the Kashalas, to come to meet them. If the Fulani need something, the benefit of cows in terms of bohol, murtsake, and other different beneficial. So after that, if you have questions, just raise your hands and ask. For instance, look at you resembling like a Fulani. You are a white man. You know they say where Fulani is thief, all the thief. No. Wallah, no, the Fulani all they are thief. No. Go and check it. Now, for instance, me, I am the one that my house, I building my house very clean. And why you send the aeroplane now to come and bombing it? Why? I don't know why. So, if you are thief, so nobody can come with your area to push your thief. So you have to be respect your country. If you don't follow this rule, you are constitution. You are no constitution. After that, we need send this message to